What are the key differences between a golden ratio logo and an arbitrarily measured one? You can see both of the logos are almost identical except for the colors, because I have put a richer shade to differentiate the logos. And in the logo mark, you can see this mark is much more well finished and organizedly balanced than this one, because it was measured with the golden ratio and the measurement was proportionate. It's up to your personal preference and audience mindset that whether you should go for a golden ratio measurement or go for an arbitrarily measured logo. The arbitrary one was based on my optical balance, but it was not that much well finished. As you can see, the corners are not well furbished. Though this one was a golden ratio logo, I have to do some minor tweaks here and here to keep it in balance, look it perfectly organized and well spaced. But in the end, both of the logos are almost identical, and if you do not pay a close attention, you cannot differentiate the logos. Well, that was for today. If you like the video, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and don't forget to follow my Instagram page.